Hello everybody, welcome back to Mariposa Makeup Routine, and I am here to do unboxing for the month of June for Ipsy, and it's sunny days ahead. That's the theme. And for Ipsy, I just wanted to kindly let you guys know that Ipsy is kindly gifted to me, so I am lucky to receive this monthly, so I will be able to show you guys what we have in store for each month. And this month I will have the Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm. So the Ipsy Glam Bag is $14 a month. You get to choose. You have 5 deluxe samples, and you get to choose one. That's what I was trying to say, but we were getting here into the moment, having some excitement because I can't wait to see what we have. So we are going to unbox it together, and I have it right here. So let's open it up, and I really love and appreciate the nice details they have for the Ipsy Glam Bag. They always make them so unique design, and this is such a cute one for summery theme, right? So let's open this up and see what we have. The first item I see here, this is from Frank Body, and this is Rose Hip Body Scrub and Cleanser. So I know I have tried one of these before, but I'm not sure if it's the same one, and it's really nice. Like, I definitely ran through it fast, like it was gone, because it's a great sample size, because that means if I love it like I do, I'm going to be repurchasing it because it's really nice. It's amazing. So the next one I have here is this from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Bright and Glow Moisturizer with vitamin C. And I am so grateful to try another item from them, because I think I have tried their eye cream, so I'm looking forward to trying this moisturizer. And the third item is some Girl Latic, and this is Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. And I am definitely grateful to get another one, because I have a full size, and this is definitely a nice face scrub, and it smells very good. Like, you will definitely love this one. And the fourth item here, this is from Ace Beauty, and this is Maximum Impact Liquid Eyeshadow. So let's open this up, and let's of course do some swatches, because it's always exciting to get when we get a nice liquid eyeshadow to see. Oh, look at that, look at the glitter. So let's of course do a nice swatch right here, and look how beautiful. Look at, oh, this is gonna definitely be used right away, because like you see, I love to do nice makeup, and this has nice glitter to it, like nice shimmer, really beautiful. Yes, now we are on the last item right here, and this is from Dear Midnight Altir, and this is like pH looks, I think it's like a, yeah, color change lip balm. Exactly, that's what I thought. So this is it, and let's see if I could swatch it right here. Maybe you can see there's like a tiny bit of pink right there, and I definitely love when they do little cute lip balms like this, right? Because it's good for taking in your purse, especially when you're on the go and you don't have time to be picking up so much stuff. So this is definitely nice for Ipsy this month. I am really impressed. Like, I really love everything I received. So now we're gonna open up Boxycharm. So this is Ipsy by Boxycharm, and for this you get 5 full-size products, and I think, if I'm yeah, you get to choose 3 products from this box right here. So this one comes every month with the Ipsy Glam Bag, but the Icon box comes quarterly. So that's gonna be another exciting one when we get it next time. But I don't know anything so far when is the next one, but when I do find out, I will let you guys know. So let's open up this lovely box right here, and look, we do have a pamphlet for the Boxycharm, and this is how it looks right here. And it says, slay the sun kiss look and get your glow glitter essential to make you nice and glowy skin for the summer. Embrace your real skin. So it says sheer tans shades that show off your natural beauty and complete your goals. So natural products like makeup that has like a sheer tint will go perfectly for summer. And here they do have some, I think some yeah, part of the theme, like some of the items that you could actually get in your box, as you can see. And here we have like add to the cart, like there's an add to the cart feature, like when you do shopping there and you want to add some nice products because they have good deals. And then it says glow with pride because this is the Pride month, so we have some featuring about it. And yeah, now let's get into the unboxing. But this is a really good pamphlet because it gives you all the details we need for this subscription, right? It's a fun subscription to get because you can get skincare, makeup, and you can get hair care. So let's see what we have now for our month here in June. So the first item I see here, this is Eyelamish, and this is Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimension Eye Color Quad palette. So let's see. Oh, their packaging is absolutely gorgeous. And let's see the shades. Look at the shades. These two shimmers are really gorgeous, and these mattes, I think you could actually really create a nice day look with this because it's definitely lovely. And the shimmers, they're really calling my name because I love shimmers. I love where you get a nice glow, nice sparkly touch to the eyes. I'm so there. So let's see the next item. Oh, this is hair care. This is Borouge Superfood Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 spray, leave-in spray for the hair care. See, so this is definitely a good size. So this is my second product, and this is, I'm looking forward to using it. I actually heard a lot of good things about this brand for hair care, so I am so excited. So the next item here is Feel, and this is Refining Night Serum, and this is like a nice nice serum for the nighttime routine. And this is definitely comes in handy because skincare is a must for taking care of our skin. And this is going to be the fourth item here, and this is Pink Lips, and this is Glass Lip A Glow and Star. So I guess those two are the shades, and here are the two lip gloss, which if you want, I'm going to try and swatch it right here. It's really light, this one. This is like the right here, this one here, and this is, I think this is Star. Yeah, this is Star shade, and this one here is probably a glow, so probably it's more like a clear. That's what I thought. It's more like a clear. You can't really see it's more like a clear lip because it looks pink here, but as soon as you probably apply it, it's like a clear little sheer lip gloss. Definitely lovely. And lastly, we have Ream Beauty, and this is Lunar Magic Blurring Primer. So this is definitely interesting because I need always a nice primer for the makeup. And I am definitely loving everything I received for this month of June for Ipsy. And I can't wait to share more for next month, or maybe I'll share something sooner. But let's hope and wish that everybody's doing amazing and enjoying the nice weather. Hopefully summer gets into summer and stop raining, because right here we have lots of rain going on. So take care, and we will be talking soon. Bye bye.